This iPhone 13 Pro Max is showing unable to activate. Only the serial number appears. The IMEI isn't showing. This is mainly a baseband issue, so let me show you how to fix this problem step by step. First, I'll remove the screws of the phone and then I'll disconnect all the connectors. Now I'll take out the logic board and remove the black cover on top of it. To separate the upper part and the lower part, I'll apply some alcohol and place it on the preheating station. Once the two parts are separated, I'll place the logic board on the holder and clean the solder points on the sides. After cleaning, I'll apply some paste and reball the side points using a soldering iron. Then, to join the two layers back together, I'll place the board on the preheating station again. Now I'll place it back into the phone and reconnect all the connectors. Then I'll connect the display and power on the device. Now I'll press the power button and the volume up button and then connect the USB cable. I'll connect the USB cable and flash the iPhone 13 Pro Max firmware through a PC or laptop. After the flash is complete, you can see that the serial number, IMEI number, everything is now showing properly. See how easily the activation problem can be solved. Thank you.